SubmitSMART is our abstract and manuscript collection module, and it's a powerful tool based on a simple idea. Authors create user accounts with a login and password, along with their email address, and then they enter information about their authors into our system. After that, they upload either a document of their abstract or manuscript, or they can type in the text of their abstract online using our text box tool. It also allows them to input special characters directly into that text using a palette that we've developed on the site.
The submissions themselves, once they're uploaded to the website, it is almost natural for you to want to collect additional information with that as well. So after the author goes in there and uploads his paper, he'll click on the link to upload the paper. He'll automatically be pulled to what we call a submission detail page, where they can make certain requests or just fill in certain information that you've got already there for them. Selection of a track, selection of a session, their preference to be an oral presenter or a poster presenter, or just any type of information like that is all easily put on that page. It's customizable to that page by you or by us, and it's built into the site to collect nearly any piece of information that you would want. We've made the copyright disclosure page something all by itself because it is so important, and many people don't want it just lumped in with all the other details that are happening along with that submission. And on this page, it would be your copyright disclosure, exclusive to you. However you would want to write it or whatever it may be, you can click on a button to open up a view of it, to download it so you can fax it if you require that, or mail it in if you require that. Or what many folks are doing right now and in the organizations are just a straight click through. There's a button that says, I accept this copyright release, I do not accept this copyright release. During the submission process, one of the final stages is the opportunity for the author to view his or her publication. We have a window that pops up that lets them proofread exactly what they submitted and put through the website. And we give them that opportunity to view it as it would look in the final publication once it's been rendered to PDF.
Some of our clients collect abstract or publication fees during the submission process, or they might collect fees for other things that go along with the presentation. And we can handle that with our e-commerce functionality that's built into the site. So we can let them specify how much they should charge for various items, and then we can collect that either through our merchant account or directly into our client's merchant account. We have a number of management functions available in the site, one of them being site configuration, which allows our Mira project manager or our client to go into the site behind the scenes and change things like colors, names of fields, or to specify which fields are required to be entered by the authors. There are a number of things that can be changed in the configuration. We also maintain a statistics page which graphically shows project managers which papers or abstracts are in which status. So that can tell them who has not finished their submission, how many they have so far, and maybe estimate how many they'll get once the collection process is completed. It also allows them to list submissions or to search for specific abstracts or manuscripts through a search functionality.
You can create lists right in the website itself for certain users, certain authors, just for certain symposia, tracks, sessions, whatever you want, and send out mass emails just to those specific groups, specific individuals, whatever it is that you want. Not only that, you can track that information too. We have ways of tracking the information to see when it was received, when it was opened. One really neat feature we've recently put on the author homepage for you to see as a manager of the website or for your authors to see is called email history. You can steer them back to the website at any time and say, did you read your email that was just sent for whatever it was that you sent it for? Because they can just go to their homepage, click on email history, and just read every email that you had ever sent.